How to send Snap without media upload. To send a snap on Snapchat without uploading any media, that is photo or video, you can opt to send a chat message instead. And here's a simple guide on how to do it. First of all, open your Snapchat application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now access the chats, swipe right from the camera screen or tap the chat icon in the bottom left to view your conversations. Now choose a friend or group you want to message and then type in your text to message and tap on send. Now let's go ahead and send a blank snap. For that, click on the camera icon. Now take a snap and send to the person. Additionally, you can add a text or a sticker and then send it as a snap. Please note that Snapchat requires either a photo or a video to send a snap directly. However, you can communicate through text, chats, or use creative methods like sending a blank image to achieve a similar effect. This was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.